Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to create Gamepass on Roblox. To do this, first tap on three dot icon in the corner, scroll down and tap on create. Tap on three dot icon in the corner again. Now tap on creation. Tap on this place. Tap on three dot icon in the corner again. Scroll down and tap on passes. Now create a pass. Scroll down and type pass name and type a description. Now tap on create pass. Now tap on the pass you have created and tap on three dot icon in the corner. Tap on sell. Now turn on item for sale and add a price you want and then save it. Now hit the back button and open a game like Please Donate. Now go to the stand and climb the stand. By doing this process, you can successfully create a Game Pass on Roblox. Thank you.